Migrating a React class component to hooks can be tedious, but AI assistants promise to streamline the process. ChatGPT and Gemini both offer code analysis and generation, yet their approaches differ. ChatGPT tends to provide detailed explanations alongside its suggestions, walking through each lifecycle method and its hook equivalent. Gemini, on the other hand, often delivers concise, direct code snippets, focusing on the final result. For a complex migration, ChatGPT's step-by-step reasoning can help developers understand the why behind each change, while Gemini's speed suits quick, straightforward conversions. Both tools handle common patterns like state and effects well, but edge cases, such as refs or context, may require manual tweaking. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize learning or efficiency. A hybrid workflow, using Gemini for initial drafts and ChatGPT for verification, might offer the best of both worlds.